Back with another video. The video that you finna watch is from Sunday. I didn't record the intro, so I'm recording it now. I just got through editing it, so hope y'all enjoy this video.
Y'all hear that Hellcat?
That's he not finna spin that.
We got a half a slate of SRT stick on. You gotta spin that hoe, bro. Hey, y'all get out the way real quick.
Say that bitch on the block, and then they say they get a tow truck and lift.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Who that is?
I don't know. That nigga in the 392.
Ooh, that bitch got a red eye in
No, that's wild. Ain't nothing.
I'm trying to figure out why she
The only thing it don't come with is like that. I ain't gonna lie, that shit bright.
Just move it real quick just so they can get out. Y'all can park right there.
That nigga ain't trying to go home.
Alright, you want to rate this like yesterday?
He ain't trying to rate that shit.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't have to yesterday.
Spin that hoe.
Let me hear some.
Spin it. Spin that hoe.
Let me hear some.
Spin that hoe. Spin it real quick.
Weak.
Stupid. It's so stupid too.
Everybody gonna
In a Challenger too.
Right now.
Ooh.
He out of there.
That's the same nigga, bro.
No, that's not, bro. That hoe clean. You tripping? That nigga say meathead on that hoe. Never get that hoe again.
You gotta.
Rev it. That hoe is striker.
How about you?
Spin that bitch.
recent videos. I'm gonna be dropping new videos, and then I'm gonna drop the old videos too at the same time. So 2 a days, every day. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna hold my word starting Monday. So yeah, bro, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Thank y'all so much again. Follow me on IG, follow me on Discord too. Join the Discord so I be dropping where I be at on the Discord. So if you wanna race, let me not say that. If you wanna meet me at the thing at where I'm at, it's cool. I'm gonna drop it there. I always drop it there.